Welcome to Parris RV, and here's a look at another great deal from our huge selection of RVs, fifth wheels, and travel trailers. And it comes equipped with over-the-range microwave, outside speakers, USB charging station, overhead storage, kitchen island with double sink, outside gas grill, overhead kitchen storage, outside storage, linen cabinet, outside kitchen refrigerator, sink, and 2-burner range, LED exterior lighting, 3-burner range, LED interior lighting, outside shower, closets on both sides of the bed, queen size bed, AM FM CD DVD player, single slide, bathroom cabinet with mirror, roof ladder, living area television, electric awning with LED lights, U-shaped dinette, double door refrigerator, frameless windows. Master bathroom has a sink, toilet, and shower with a door. Power tongue jack. Sleeps up to 4 people. Parris RV is located in the heart of Salt Lake County and specializes in sales, service, and RV parts. We carry new and used travel trailers, tent trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, and motorhomes. Parris RV is family owned and operated with over 25 years of experience in the RV industry. Parris RV is the perfect place to shop. We're the #1 camping trailer and travel trailer dealer in the state. With over 26 brands to choose from and over 400 units in stock, you're sure to find the right RV for your family. Come see us today.